parrot lovers! We're excited to invite you to a fun and creative Parrot Toy Making Day event hosted by For the Birds Parrot Club located in Florence, Alabama. Whether you're a longtime bird owner or just love parrots, this is your chance to come together and meet other bird enthusiasts, share ideas, learn about enrichment, and go home with toys that your feathered friends will absolutely adore. No experience needed. Just bring your love for parrots and a little creativity. The date and location are coming soon, but right now we need to know who's interested. If this sounds like fun, then please give this post a like or drop a comment below to let us know. Let's make something awesome for the birds.